Whiskers, what you doing, buddy? What you doing, KKK? We gotta make the bed, hon. You gotta get out of it. Whiskers. Hi guys, it's Crystal, and today we're going to do some gorgeous, sexy cotton candy hearts. Yeah, I named it before posting. What now, guys? I'm stepping up my game-ish. To start off, I'm using my Ready for Takeoff peel-off base coat from Untitled Lacquer. I'm using 2 layers of this. I'm only going to show myself putting on 1 because putting on 2 and showing it is kind of boring. It's just a base coat. I'm using 2 layers because my base polish is super pigmented. It's a 1-coat linear hollow, but I still can only wear this for a day because I have a lot of swatches to get through. For my base color, I'm using this sexy pink from Superchic Lacquer, Exposed, from the new Spill the Tea collection. I do have a discount code for that in the description box, as well as a link to shop from them. This is beautiful. This is my favorite color from the collection, which if you hang around my channel, you know I said it in the swatch video. I already used it for some nail art, and I'm using it for the base in this nail art. I just got a thing for pinks and purples. Honestly, if this collection had a purple, that might have beat the pink out, but that's the only way it would have beat this. To protect my cuticles, I'm using my Simply Peel from Bliss Kiss. I think today is the last day for their semi-annual sale, so you might be able to get a bottle of this, you know, on discount if you're interested in it. I have a bunch of others I have to test out after this bottle runs out. For the stamping plate, I'm using the new Hearts TTO1 plate from Twinkled. This beautiful little image here. I know, they came out with stamping plates. I was super excited too, guys. And of course, I'm using my go-to stamping polish, Vibin from Twinkled, my holy grail of black stamping polishes. And my extra large clear stamper from Twinkled. You can get 10% off all Twinkled products with the code SERIOUSLY, which is also listed and linked in the description box below. I have all my stuff down there. This plate really excited me because I did not think when I picked up these hearts that they were going to be thick enough to reverse stamp, and they are though. For what we're coloring them in with, we're using Spill It from Superchic Lacquer. This is a gorgeous blue linear holographic. This is also a 1-coater. I did have to do 2 because of the staining on my nails. This is the only color in the collection though that I ended up actually using 2 coats on when I swatched it. But it is too pretty. I'm putting this down on a little note card, and I'm going to use my crystal dotting tools from Twinkled, specifically this light blue one with the really thin end. I just dip it in my polish, swirl it around a little like some magic, and then color these in. Here's fail one in this video. I kept pulling the stamper towards me while coloring it. It's just a natural habit I have, is to pull it closer to me as I'm coloring it in. So I pulled it out of the frame, and I realized it afterwards, and I was like, really? Really? Did you have to? So we're gonna skip ahead to where I'm coloring it in better, you know, more in focus. This was a really easy design to color in, which I was not expecting. Like I said before, when I got this stamping plate and I saw that image, I loved the image, but I thought that the lines were going to be super thin and I wasn't going to be able to keep the polish within the lines. When I picked it up on the stamper, I was really excited to see that these are really bold, thick lines, and coloring it in, as you can see, is really easy and a lot faster. I have not sped up these clips any. They're at the actual pace I did this, and it's just super easy, and I loved it. I went in by doing each of the curved tops and then going down towards the center, and then the little point down there gets colored in and it's perfectly smooth, and the hearts are pretty and they're perfect. I do feel like at the bottom some of the image where it got cut off could have been omitted, but it doesn't bother me because that's not going to end up hitting my nails. Once I have it colored in, you guys know I love to flip it over and make sure everything's colored and it looks good and it's opaque. And then I have to go get my top coat. This time I'm using my Marvel Liquid Macro Top Coat from Superchic Lacquer. And I'm going to put this on a makeup sponge. This is my go-to way to reverse stamp. It's the only way that I don't get smearing and I don't make messes. However, speaking too soon. If you do that and you put too much on the nail, you will get this. I smeared it. But we're going to pretend that didn't happen because I'm going to give you a tips and tricks video next month on how to fix that. For my cuticles, I'm cleaning up with my stainless steel cuticle pusher from Twinkledt. I just go around, I cut off any of the bits of the larger images that are still there. I just push everything down, make sure, you know, my cuticle protector is not sticking to the peel off base coat. And then I peel it up with my Mont Blue tweezers from Twinkledt. Then I did off-camera cleanup. I know, I'm terrible. With my number 2 cleanup brush from Twinkledt because it was kind of a hassle trying to do it on. And then I'm going in with my Marvel Liquid Macro Top Coat for the final touches. Sealing in the tip. And it's done! This is a super easy, super freaking cute design. I can't even, okay? It's just too pretty, guys. It's too pretty. I just love it. And of course, pink and blue went together so well. And they just remind me of cotton candy so much. Like the swirl at the end of this, I'm obsessed with like radial swirls lately, is too cute. Like super cute. Anyways, all the items used are going to be linked in the description box, and I do have discount codes to several shops down there as well. As always, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more fun stuff, tutorials, my best tips and tricks, and my insanity. And I will see you guys next time.